Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is all about stick hairstyle. As now I will do a basic stick bun, which will be my first hairstyle. By gathering all of my hair as like a ponytail, at first I will comb my hair nicely. Now I will twist my hair, and after twisting it I will rotate it like a bun. Now by taking a stick I will insert it from one side of the bun, and by touching the scalp it will go through to the other side of the bun. So here is my basic stick bun look. Now is normal stick bun, which gonna be my second hairstyle. As I will gather all of my hair a little bit higher this time like a ponytail. And then over my left hand I will wrap my hair only once, and then the remaining hair I will wrap around bottom of it. Now by using a stick I will insert it at first in the middle of that wrapped bun, and by bringing that half part to one side and by taking that other half part to other side, that stick will go through over that other part. And here is my normal stick bun look. Now I will do a French stick bun as my third hairstyle. Again, I will gather all of my hair like a low ponytail. Then by folding with my other hand, I will adjust it to make it look like a French bun, while keeping my left hand on top of it. And now by inserting that extra hair into the bun, I will take a stick and I will insert it into the middle of that folded part of my hair. As you can see how I have inserted that stick. Now by smoothing all the sides, I will use a U-pin, where I have inserted my extra hair. And now I will clip my both sides loose here. And this is the look of my French stick bun. Now I will make a stick bun as my fourth hairstyle. By gathering all of my hair like a ponytail, at first I will make a tight twisty bun. Then by dragging the middle part of the bun towards upward, I will insert the stick. As this way my bun is looking like a numeric 8 shape style. That's why it calls 8 stick bun. I will make an infinity stick bun as my fifth hairstyle. As like before, I will again make a tight twisty bun. But this time I will drag the middle part to one side, and then I will insert the stick. To adjust those loose hair, I will use bobby clip to pin it. And by doing it, my bun is looking like an infinity sign style, and that's why it calls infinity stick bun. Now I will make a top knot stick bun as my 6th hairstyle. This time, by holding my hair from one side, I will twist it in outward position and will bring it to my other side. Now by keeping my end hair on top of it, as you can see how it looks, now I will insert my stick under it. Now I will wrap my remaining hair around the stick, and by stretching the stick to loose the hair from left to right, I will try to bring my stick on top of it. When I will find enough space, then I will insert my stick. And at last, by clipping my both sides loose hair and by adjusting my front hair, I will get this stylish top knot stick bun look. Now I will make a half messy stick bun as my 7th hairstyle. As I will gather my half part hair on top of my crown area. Then I will comb my hair nicely. Now I will take a stick, and by taking my hair above the stick, I will twist the stick along with my hair towards upward without leaving my other hand. Now by using my other hand, I will hold my starting point of the twist, and then I will bring and insert the stick into it. As after adjusting my front hair, here is the look of my half messy stick bun. Now I will make a ribbon stick ponytail, which will be my last 8th hairstyle. As I will gather my hair, and by using a hair tie, I will make a low ponytail. But at the end knot of my hair tie, I will make a loop of half part of it. Now by dividing into 2 parts, I will just insert the stick into it, and here it becomes a ribbon stick ponytail style. So here are my all 8 stick hairstyle look. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye and see you next time.